is Dave from Geekanoids, and this is video number 2 in my PC build series. And in this video I'm going to be taking you for a tour around the Cooler Master HAF 922 case. Now this is a very industrial looking case. I'll give you a 360 of it now. Nice side window there. Around the back we've got room for the power supply. We've got plenty of room for expansion cards. This is where the I/O interface is going to go. Fan built in here. Little spaces here for water cooling. Around this side we've got the sort of plain side of the case. It is slightly contoured outwards, so there's room behind here for some nice neat cable management. Around the front, yet more vents, expansion plates here for optical drives. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5¼ inch, and then this last one that I just showed you can also be used for 3½ inch devices. Sockets up here for USB 2, we've got 2 of those. We've got a microphone in, headphone socket, eSATA, and then on the top of the unit, which I'll give you a close up of now, here we've got a fan LED button for turning off the LED on that front fan. We've also got the power on off switch, reset switch, couple of activity LEDs here, and then moving backwards on the case we've got a massive ventilation perforated panel here with a massive fan on the top. This is really going to aid in keeping the whole of the system extremely cool. Now the HAF in the name of the case stands for high airflow, and it does certainly perform on that. It's meant to keep everything nice and cool inside. I'm going to remove this side panel just to show you inside the case, and basically we have got a template already on here which is going to show me the correct mounting screws to use for the motherboard. We've got a cutout here for easy access to a CPU cooler replacement, so we can actually put different coolers on the CPU without having to remove the motherboard. We've got all of the cables here ready to go for various connections. Little thumb screws here for the expansion cards. Easy removed hard drive bays here for installing your 3½ inch SATA hard drives. And then we've got this click system here for installing optical drives. So all really extremely easy to use. Now something I didn't show you when I was showing you the front is there is an additional fan at the front here, just behind these bottom grills. So this pulls in cool air and passes it across those hard drives. There's also a nice rubber sort of foot area here for placing your power supply. Plenty of ventilation on the bottom of the case, again to keep everything nice and cool. So overall an extremely nice case. I'm looking forward to getting all of the components in here. So thank you very much for listening. Please tune in to the next video tomorrow where I'm going to be installing the motherboard and the CPU.
This video review is sponsored by EasyDraw, making drawing fun on Mac OS X.